Welcome, this is Joshua Benoist in Autodesk Product Support. So, we're going to talk about single-phase panels in RevitMEP. So, let's look at the problem statement from the customer. Are there families for single-phase panels? We have a project that needs one, and where do we find them? Alright, so let's go do that. So I've drawn 4 walls. I'm using RevitMEP 2009 because that was the version that the customer asked the question in. And so first thing we want to do is load a panel into our drawing. The answer is no, single-phase panels do not come out of the box. So what we need to do is make some, and it's not that hard. Alright, so let's load a panel, and you'd go up to File, Load from Library, Load Family, and then we would find Electrical Components. By the way, there's the Imperial Library button down here for those watching the video. You can always click on this to get to this point in which you would click on Electrical Components, and then we would look at Electrical Equipment and Panel Board. So if I expand this over, you can see that we've got 208 volt and 480 volt panels out of the box in 2009. I think there may be more in 2010. So anyway, let's just choose one of these 208 volt, and we're going to insert this into our project. Since I did this earlier, I'm going to just go ahead and let it override the parameter. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to switch to our electrical tab and click on Electrical Equipment, and I'm just going to place one of these right here on a wall and say Cancel. So I'm going to select my panel, and I'm going to say Edit Family. So we're going to open that family for edit. So here's the panel board family. Our electrical information is stored on the connectors, so we need to select the electrical connector. Then click on the Edit Element Properties button, or you can always right-click Element Properties. So this comes up, and here's where we can set the voltage and the number of poles. So we might want to change this to 120 volt single phase. Say OK. And then actually one other thing, family types. Yeah, I think that's what we wanted to do. So now that we've converted this into a 120 single phase panel, we may want to go up and say File, Save As, and then just say right here 120-1 or something like that. Okay. So I'm going to cancel because I don't want to do that, but you guys should. So anyway, load this into our project. So now we've got a panel that is 120 volt. Let's go up into the electrical settings. Electrical settings. Click on distribution systems. So we've got 120/208 3-phase, 120/240 single phase. Yeah, so here's our various distribution systems. If we choose this, and then on the options bar, it becomes available, telling us, oh, well, 2 distribution systems match 120 volt. So we'll choose this one, and now you have an electrical panel that is 120 volt, and we've assigned it to a single phase distribution system. And now you can circuit your devices up. Notice we also do not have single phase devices. You need to do the same thing